Alright, boys and girls, our next problem is involving models, and I just can't stress enough to you that anytime you're doing a model, the best thing for you to do is to label everything you see. And so the first thing that I want to notice, or that I am seeing that is standing out to me, is this piece of information. What does the key tell me? The key tells me that one of these represents one whole. And so if I step back and I kind of look at this, I not only see one of those, but I see another one as well. So I know that my answer is going to be, or that I'm looking at a model that is greater than 1. So I'm just going to kind of write a little bit of notes right here. This model is greater than the number 1. Now I'm going to go back and I'm going to think about everything that I possibly can figure out about this model. So one thing that I see is that I see 2 groups. It stands out to me plain and clear with the black outline that there are 2 groups. And then I want to know, well, what is in each group? So if I count this, I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, that makes it easy. I can count by 5s across. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. So it's going to be 75, and then I have to stop and think. That's not 75 wholes, but that's 75 hundredths. So I'm going to move my decimal to show and reflect 75 hundredths. So right now I'm looking at 2 groups of 75 hundredths, one on top and one on bottom. The last thing that I want to figure out is, well, what is the total? So if we can see together that we've got this one area, then I'm looking for an outlining tool, because sometimes it's hard to see, but I can see that I have one whole model right here. So I'm going to go ahead and say, well, we have one whole. And what part of this second model is full? So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. We have 50 hundredths. So we have 1 and 50 hundredths. And that makes sense if I want to go back, because I should be able to multiply it and say, well, 75 hundredths 2 times is going to give me 150. And then if I bump my decimal over, that's going to be 1 5/10, which is exactly what we have here. So when I look at my answer choices, I want to think smarter, not harder. And I see I have 1.5, 1.5, 1.5, 1.5. That all looks great. I'm going to be dividing into 2 groups. Divide 2 by 2 by 2 by 2. That all looks great. But where I'm seeing a change is the each. We don't have 75 wholes. We don't have 70 wholes. We don't have 7D. We have 75 hundredths. And that is why D is the best choice.